waxaan joognaa taariikhdii cusmaaniyiinta Turkey masha Allah. This is for heat.
For heat, quick heat.
waxa waay kan heatka lagu samaysan jiray dadka guriga ku kulay lagu kulaysan jiray charcoal. It's make the house warm. wuxuu dhahay guriga lagu kulaystaa waagi hore marka kan waa la dhalaaliyey kanna lama dhalaalin kanna masha Allah tabarakallah. What is this one baba?
It's okay.
Same for Osmaniyin. masha Allah 150 sano ka hor masha Allah.
There is no date, I cannot say
Yeah,
exactly.
but estimate 150 years ago. This is all waxa waaye taariikh Osman. And what else? Osmaniyin and
This is Osmanlı, this is Osmanlı. This is Osmanlı.
taariikhi. This is for prayer,
No, not
Wash.
right, not. For
tea, coffee.
no, this is for hand wash. For
Wash,
abdest,
yeah,
abdest.
yeah. Yes, we call uba.
Oba.
Bag.
Yeah.
People will go desert, take this for water, have a wudu,
Yes.
water, drink. MashaAllah. Xaggan alaabtan dhana taala. This is waxa waaye lamb.
Oh,
Yeah, this is new.
looks so.
MashaAllah. Papa, what's your name?
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Can I take one?
No, I want to drink.
Okay.
Picture you? What's your name, Baba?
Ali.
Ali. MashaAllah, Ali. How long do you have this shop?
Exactly 61 years.
61 years, this shop. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Ali, he has this shop for 61 years. MashaAllah, he's gonna leave a legend.
I feel good.
Yeah, MashaAllah. May Allah give you more strength. Shukran, Baba. Suuqa maanta waxaa joognaa waagi horeeto dukaamadii hore ee jewelryga ayaan joogaa. waxaa lagu gadaa qalin, diamond iyo dahab. If you guys interested, let me know. This is diamond and dahab, gold together. 40 karat. Hi. Good, thanks. How are you? What do you have? Scarves. You want to see? You want to show?
Show me, I'll show you.
MashaAllah.
Where do you come from? Where do you come from?
What do you think? Skin black. What do you think?
I don't know. Maybe come paradise, maybe.
Allah.
No, Allah.
Allah. Inshallah. May Allah take us all to paradise.
Inshallah, inshallah. Well, for a scarf or a shawl?
No, I want you.
Me?
You.
Me?
Yes.
I'm married.
Ah.
Too late. I'm married.
Too late. No, no, no, no. No good. No.
I'm married. He's not married.
Oh,
Take it in.
no, no. He's baby.
Baby?
Baby.
Baby?
Huh?
I like men.
أعوذ بالله. No, Erin is not that you need a man. No.
In Turkey like that.
No. No. No.
If someone has this, if it is
You will
gold,
go like this.
pass it.
استغفر الله العظيم. No, Erin عادي عادي. Huh? You will act like shaitan. No, I'm not gonna take it.
Shaitan.
My grandfather, he was the biggest shaitan of the world. Then
But you don't need to follow your grandfather.
he was good.
You need to be better than him, not like
I am
him.
better shaitan.
أعوذ بالله, no good. You need to be better person, not better shaitan. Shaitan good. Allah.
نوشا
No shal حبيبي.
وين يا حبيبي؟
I want to go around. Okay?
Get more carpet.
I will be there inshallah tomorrow.
İnşallah.
والله سوق وين كورينا كارث
Biz geldik size bir geldik.
حبيبي كيف؟ الحمد لله. How are you? I said I'm good. Fake gold. How much? Fake. 100 lira.
100, 150, 120, 90.
Which one? 150.
150, which one? I will show you.
Finish?
This one 150. This one 150. And a big size. This 150.
Uh-huh.
This 150. These are also 150. These are 120 like this.
120. 120.
These are 100.
If you guys interesting,
Aşağı gir abi old pazara. Orada patlı.
let us know. I will show my friends, okay? I'll take a picture. I'll send it. If they like it, I come back to you, inshallah, okay? How much? This is
Silver.
real?
Yes, real silver and it's brand Bulgari.
Okay. And brand.
Expensive.
How much are they?
800 lira, 1,000 lira,
Okay. Like $200, $100.
$100.
Yeah. It's silver, real silver.
Real silver and Bulgari.
Yeah. And brand, why? Yeah. The brand. This is a Turkish design. This is all Turkish design. For the eye. And here we have, what do we have here? Sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
What's called this sweet? Can you tell me?
Turkish delight.
Okay, different.
Almond, pistachio, pomegranate.
Which one is this one?
Pomegranate.
This one?
Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yes, please.
Bismillah.
فاصبح يا إكرام في بهارات في زعفران تفضلي ماما
You want to go?
How much kilo?
How many sides shoes?
No, I wanna video in, so I wanna tell. So that's why. Show me how much kilo.
Kilogram 250.
250.
You want to get a mix for you?
This 300. Which one? This one?
250. This 340 for this side.
Oh, this one
Yeah.
down here. This 250 a kilo.
Kilogram 250.
MashaAllah. You can mix and match. Okay. Shukran. gold. This is gold. Okay? Assalamu alaikum. How many carats? 22 carats. How much carat, 1 gram today? Dollar. $70 today. Okay. Do you mind?
Which one? You can show me window, please.
Okay, let's go. I like this one.
Set, okay.
Is set or just you can buy one?
No.
Yeah.
Tamam, zorumu ayrılır şimdi. Siz verdiniz mi?
How many gram?
Kaç para dedin? How many gram? This is approximately 40 gram.
40.
Let's see. 35, 40. This also?
How much? 35, 40.
35 for 40. Sen 65 mi dedin? Ya 70. 2,478 dollars.
Wow. Mashallah.
Evet, maşallah. Italian word 22.
But I like 21 carat.
21.
Yeah.
Then you should go to Arabistan.
Where
In
are?
Turkey, no.
Wallah.
Wallahi.
All Turkey 22
Yes.
and 18.
18
14.
we don't have. 14 I have.
Yeah, I mean I saw 14,
Yes,
18.
here is 14, 18, 22.
Okay.
Why 22? 22 it has more gold. Better than
We like 21. I don't know why.
1 point.
Yeah, 1 point difference.
In price also is not
I think the price is same as well.
same. Because it has like 90, this one has like 91% of gold and 21 has 90.
No, 100% gold.
100% 24 karat.
Oh,
And 24 is too soft. Jet made.
okay.
Bana sordular sen çok istiyor.
You educate me.
Bizim çıkardığımız yere yolladılar.
Wow. Mashallah. You wanna go? Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Yasin.
Yasin.
Yes.
MashaAllah, Yasin from Istanbul.
Yes.
How long you from Turkey, right?
Yeah, I'm born in Istanbul.
You born in Istanbul, MashaAllah. What is the gold you have here?
I have 22 karat gold.
Ah, do you have fake one?
No.
This is the real gold.
Yeah.
22, 23, what?
22.
And 18, 14 karat.
I have only 22.
MashaAllah.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Somalia, but I live in New Zealand, Australia, both. والله بسم الله ما شاء الله تبارك الله. Here we have your single, huh? What is called the shop?
Abla.
Sorry, sorry, mom. Hello. What do you have?
I have everything.
Are you for sale? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Can I
You can take a picture.
can I take picture of you?
Me?
Yeah.
I am antisocial.
Huh?
Antisocial.
Antisocial. They may never know. They don't know you.
No, I can't.
That's why I ask you. Some people don't like pictures.
I don't like.
Okay, so
Even for myself, I don't have one.
Wallah.
Wallahi.
Okay.
Let me offer you Turkish delight.
Yes, please. I want to tell my friends what you have here. Tell me.
I have everything except me.
Okay. I'm not gonna buy you. I can't buy you. You're too expensive.
Oh, how to say?
Thank you only.
Thank you.
Which one is this one?
This one is cherry and helva and pistachio.
Sherry,
Helva,
helva,
pistachio,
pistachio,
and chocolate.
and chocolate. MashaAllah. Bismillah. I try for my friend.
Try for everyone.
Tell me the best. Show me the best of the best you have.
All of them, they are nice.
But I want to know which one is your favorite.
Okay, this two was my favorite. Also, the pistachio one.
Okay. And this one, what's in it?
The almond
Almond
and helva.
and helva.
Here, coconut, helva, and pistachio.
Helva and pistachio and coconut. So how long can it last?
6 months is no problem because I have the machine to sell it for some.
Okay. And kilo, 1 kilo is
280.
280 lira. How much dollar?
I don't know.
Can you check for me?
I don't like Benjamin.
What's your name?
My name?
Ah,
Ram.
Ram. What's Ram?
Ram.
Ram.
Marashna.
So Ram, if my friend wants to order from you,
Okay,
you have business card.
of course.
Can I have your business card, please?
Always. Number 44. And also we make discount for smiley people.
Yes. If you guys need anything to do with sweet,
And tea.
contacted with Ram, right?
Yeah.
Ram. Okay? He have every sweet that you might think of. Okay? And you can. It lasted for 6 months
No
in a
problem.
box. No problem. It's not gonna ruin.
Matata.
He also have spicy. صح spicy, yeah?
Yeah,
Spicy.
spices, cardamom, peanuts,
We have nuts and he have herbs. Herbs. Tea. Any herbs of tea. So contact my friend. Thank you, Habibi. Same to you. The train station that way?
third left,
Then left.
third left.
Third left. Bismillah. Let's go, people. Hello. How are you? Good, good. What's your name? What's your name, Habib? Matu. Do you mind taking a video? It's okay? I don't want to. No, I don't. No, that's why I asked you. No, that's why I asked before I go. السلام عليكم.
Selam.
Hatırladım ben. Bu mu? Yok. 4 tane dikiş var. 4 dikiş.
Sen kala?
10 lira.
बंदा नहीं फ्रिज के मैग्नेट्स
Picture. $7. This is yeah. خلاص. And where do you cut off?
Before you go,
This is the square. How much the square?
100.
Lara.